Hey guys, in the last video we discussed how to install Notepad++ on Ubuntu. So we covered the terminal method where we have used the snap command and install Notepad++. You can also install Notepad++ in the graphical method. This method is good for someone who is new to the Linux. So in this video I am going to show you how to install Notepad++ using Ubuntu software. If this is the first time you're watching my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive notification whenever I publish a new video. Go to activities and search for the Ubuntu software, click to launch. Here search for Notepad++. So in the result section you have to choose this option Notepad++ with Wine because that is what we have to install. Please note here it's the same package whether you install from the command or from this Ubuntu software. At the end of the day it installs the snap package only. There is no native installation available for the Linux operating system. Click on the install button to start the installation and the installation starts in the background. Within fraction of a second, depending on speed of your internet, download the required snap package and install it. That's it, it's done. Next, go to activities and search here for Notepad++ and select to start it. This is how it looks on Linux operating system. The look and feel is exactly same. The only difference here is you may not get the same performance that you get in the Windows. Why? Because Notepad++ is a Windows only software that uses the Windows 32 APIs. So go ahead, install Notepad++ and use it. So whenever you want to remove Notepad++, simply go to Ubuntu software, go to install section and click on the uninstall button. That's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I publish a new video. Thanks for now. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Take care.